In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weebly.com to create and edit your very own website. Stick around, especially if you're just getting started, because I'm going to guide you through it step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Weebly's homepage. Open your browser and go to Weebly.com. Weebly is a free and user-friendly website builder, perfect for creating a website or an online store without any hassle. Once you're on the main page, the first thing you need to do is locate the Login button, which you can find at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that. Next, you'll see an option to log in using various platforms, but we're going to choose the most convenient one, logging in with your Google account. It simplifies the process and keeps things secure. So, click on Login with Google and select the Google account you'd like to use to access your Weebly dashboard, making sure all your credentials are correct. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you manage your sites. To start editing your site, look for the button labeled Edit Site and give it a click. This will open up the Weebly Site Editor, a user-friendly interface where you can design and personalize your website. When you're inside the editor, you might see a pop-out menu. This menu can sometimes clutter the workspace, so close it by clicking the X in the corner, providing a cleaner view of the editing tools. Now we'll add some text to your site. Look for the text option in the toolbar. Click and drag this text element to where you'd like your banner to be on the page. Place it at the top of your website where it can make a strong first impression when visitors land on your site. Release the element when you see the perfect spot. With the text element in place, click on it to start typing. This is where you put your website's main message or welcome banner. Craft a short, engaging message that best represents your site's purpose. After you finish typing your message, it's vital to save your changes. Simply click away from the text element and it will save automatically. Ensure everything looks good and that there are no typos or formatting issues. Lastly, to save your work and exit the editor, find the X at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking this doesn't just close your editing session, it prompts a save of your work, ensuring that all your creative efforts are not lost. And there you have it, a straightforward way to dive into Weebly and start crafting your website. Keep exploring the various tools and options available to further customize your site. Thanks for joining me today and happy site building!